Yo guys, hello my fans, I'm with Dexter Hall now.
Hello.
We're going to be opening 7.5k packs on FIFA 15. And as you can see, I've just sold one person, I've got 52k, but we should get about 2 each, 3 each. Okay, so Dexter's going to be opening the first pack. We're just going to do 2 normal ones for a start. Okay, go Dexter. Go. We're just going to be 2 normal ones, then we're going to do some suggestions.
Oh, please don't play up.
So that's probably going to not be very good. So yeah, if it decides to load, the pack does. There you go. Oh, not very good. So let's start my go. This is what I'm going to do now. Open a pack now. I am. Yeah. When it decides to load.
Louder, please. When's gonna load up? Please.
So 7.5k pack. Oh, got a gold rare, nothing very good. So quick sell that. There you go. Now we're going to be doing some
Nose packs.
no, not nose packs. We're going to open a pack. We're going to run out. Then we're going to see what we get. All right. So Dexter's going to be opening this pack. So yeah, when it decides to update the store. So one sec, guys. Just loading. Sorry, but EA's weird at the moment. It's because of the internet and stuff.
I have heard that EA's been getting hacked, like people. And their internet's been going wild. So it might go up and down, up and down, up and down.
So yeah, guys.
No!
Yeah, I'll just do part. So that was the first part. Thanks for watching.
No, it's coming in!
Oh, yeah, it's loaded.
Oh, no.
Okay, next I click on it. Yeah. Now we're going to walk out. Go, wait. We're going to go down all the way downstairs and all the way back up. Go. See you in a minute. Right, we're back. It's not loaded yet. We'll go down when it's loaded because it's loading. There you go. Absolutely no one. As you can see, no one brilliant. Not that good pack that was. Dexter, I think it looks beginning to change. So yeah, that was his pack. And now I'm going to wait until it decides to load again. So just do part. Oh, there you go. Alright guys, so I'm going to click it, Dexter. We actually are going to go downstairs now, all the way down.
Cool.
Okay, go.
Wait, is it loaded?
Yeah, wait. Wait. Come on, Eden Hazard. Yeah, it's loading. Never mind. You idiot. Alright, so 2 rares. Horrible rares. So yeah.
Did you see what I just did?
Any duplicates?
Sam.
Nope.
Sam, watch.
So yeah, we're gonna open this last pack. Wait, what was our lucky pack, Dexter, last time?
Inform. Yeah, the inform, didn't we?
Went all the way down the stairs, did a little dance and went back up. So yeah.
No, we didn't.
I told you what it was. Because we got Sterling, didn't we? And is that one on the inform?
It was.
No, don't you do that, because they're looking. So we'll just go to the toilet pack, basically. Go.
What?
The toilet pack next door. What? Yeah, it's a toilet pack. In this toilet.
Wait, is it loading?
It's loading. You see the pack? No.
Yeah, it's done.
What are you doing?
Oh, we're doing pack openings.
Why are you in my room?
We're not. We was in the bathroom. Alright, guys.
Oh,
Not a very good player.
where did you get you?
So yeah, not very good. Any duplicates? Yeah, one duplicate. We got J.O. We got one duplicate, guys. So yeah, only one.
Come on, okay. Don't actually get up there.
Now next one, me and Dexter.
Doggy pack! Doggy dancing pack.
No.
We got an info with that.
Oh yeah, we did. All right, now we're gonna
Get
do
up.
doggy dancing. You go in front of the camera, Dexter.
Get up. Get up.
Just do him. Move. I'll move the camera. It's all right. Okay, there's the dog. We're gonna do a dog pack. All
Stand
right.
up then.
Go. Dog pack. And don't look at this.
No, Sam.
No, don't look at this way.
Sam. Oh, idiot. You should have let him do it. You should have let him do it.
I will let pack.
Hello.
There you go. Wow. Oh, we've got the
got the
M4. Did we get a duplicate? No.
Right.
What
Sam.
is this mad?
Sam.
Max. Wait when it loads.
People.
So Max is going to open a pack now.
Which is the dog, not the human being. Creeper.
Oh yeah, just to say, guys, we didn't get anyone in that pack. So yeah, Max. Whoa, Max.
Max.
So
A. Max.
Don't bite your own foot. There you go. Yeah. This might take a while. Max. Wait, how does it?
Pull. A, quickly. A. He didn't do it. No, do this one.
Max. There.
Quickly.
There you go.
Up, on.
Up.
And A.
A with that one. A with that one. Alright, now we're gonna turn around.
Doggy pack.
This is the doggy pack.
Good boy, aren't you?
Please. Good doggy.
It's loading, we can tell.
Oh wow.
Wow. Max, you lit down.
Flex. What happened?
Hello.
Oh. So just to show you who we got with the doggy pack. Terrible. So that's gonna come to an end now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. Not very good. So yeah, bye.